Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today, I'm going to be showing you my new airsoft gun that I got from, I think it's called Airsoft Valley in Fort Wayne. That's where I got it from. So, let's unbox her. As you can see, she takes green gas. So, it's actually my first green gas gun. So, let's see. There she is. Stay up there. It's the Atlas Customs 1022. So you can see a very thick and heavy mag for it. Does not do well in the cold. The seals or something like that are freaking awful. So the way this thing works is you twist it in the barrel and it locks into there, and to take it off there's a thing on the barrel. But all this can come off. It's got it's got semi-automatic, it's got and full auto. That's what it's got. Sorry, I'm a little sick. But they don't freaking label it correctly. So what does F mean, huh? What is, I know A means auto, but even then. But honestly, action is actually not bad. And then let me hold on, give me a second here. Let me find a good spot. I don't know where. Maybe could go there. Oh, what about there? You know what? Frick it. We'll fully zoom out there. See what that. Yeah, should be good. So it's got a nice rubber pad on the back on the butt, but so it's twisted like that. You see, it's also on the end of the barrel. Got a place for a suppressor or a tracer unit. Put it in like that. Twist it. Perfect. Oh wait, you do that. So you can see, trigger pull is not bad on it, if I have to say so myself. And I guess, let's get this thing loaded up with a couple of BBs. Just enough to give you a basic understanding of how this thing works. Shake this guy out. Put a little green gas in there. Sounds like there's a leak. We'll figure that out. I'll probably have to order some new magazines for this thing, but let's get this guy loaded up. Alright, that's just a couple, nothing much. Then, let's get her loaded up there. She is locked and she is loaded. Let's go take this guy out. I don't know what happened there. Just do that. But knowing green gas, they does not like the cold at all. Yep, she's out, but out of ammo. It runs out of ammo fast, but as you can see, has a very fast trigger pull. So I like it. I think overall it's a pretty decent gun. I am planning on getting a tracer unit for it and a scope. This thing has no iron sights. It is an awful thing to aim. But, yeah, see ya.